What is other storage on Samsung and how to clear it? Other storage on Samsung is the cache of your running apps. So in order to clear it, you can simply use the settings or you can use this app. Download and launch Dorit Kit on your PC and open it and navigate to the data manager mode. After that, connect your phone to the computer via a USB cable. DoritKit will immediately detect your device and the interface below will pop up on your screen. Then choose the export content mode to initiate the process. Once previewing and selecting the data you would like to transfer, click on the to PC icon to enable the transfer of files from Android to your Mac. Wait for the transferring process and later you will get the transfer complete page as shown here. To find data exported as a computer, click View Files, and to return to the previous interface, click Transfer More. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.